How to fix Discord mic not working. Today guys I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then go to apps option. Then here search for Discord. When you found Discord, just open it like this and go to storage option and go to the last button, clear data. Click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last thing is go into Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribing in our channel. See you in another video.